A crisp apple falls from the tree. It's a symbol of knowledge, progress, and innovation. Today, we're moving beyond the bite of the apple to a whole new level of immersive experience. Enter the Apple Vision Pro glasses. Imagine a world where the line between digital and physical reality is blurred. Picture a day where you can interact with virtual objects as if they were right in front of you. That's the promise of the Apple Vision Pro glasses. They're not just a product, they're a revolution in how we experience the world. First up, the design. These glasses are sleek, lightweight, and the epitome of Apple's minimalist aesthetic. There's no bulkiness here. The frames are thin, the lenses clear and unobtrusive. They're as comfortable as your favorite pair of spectacles, but there's so much more. The real magic is in the technology. The Apple Vision Pro glasses offer an augmented reality experience like no other. They overlay digital information onto the physical world, creating a seamless blend of reality and imagination. From exploring far-off galaxies in your living room to visualizing architectural designs in real space, the possibilities are endless. One feature that sets the Apple Vision Pro glasses apart is their incredible resolution. Breakthrough retinal display technology ensures that every pixel is crisp, clear, and vibrant. No matter what you're viewing, you'll feel like you're right there in the moment. But what about interaction? The Apple Vision Pro glasses have got you covered. Integrated hand tracking allows you to manipulate virtual objects with precision. Gesture controls are intuitive, making it easy to navigate menus, select items, and even play games. And with voice recognition, you can issue commands to Siri without lifting a finger. Another key feature is the glasses' integration with other Apple devices. You can seamlessly transition your work or play from your Mac or iPhone straight to your glasses. It's a level of connectivity that truly sets the Apple Vision Pro glasses apart. Battery life is also impressive. Despite their power and functionality, these glasses can go a full day on a single charge. And with their fast charging capability, you'll never be out of action for long. In summary, the Apple Vision Pro glasses are a game changer. They offer a seamless augmented reality experience with high-resolution visuals, intuitive controls, and unparalleled connectivity. They're not just a pair of glasses, they're a window into a world of limitless possibilities. So, are you ready to step into the future? Because the future is here and it's wearing Apple Vision Pro glasses.